Music boxing machine installation demonstration. Tear off the back sticker. Stick the short Velcro horizontally on the back. Then stick the large-sized Velcro vertically on the wall. Tear off the screen protector film. Long press to power on. Follow the voice prompts to connect to Bluetooth. You can adjust the height of the machine according to your most comfortable boxing training posture. Type-C charging. It can be attached to the wall for charging or removed for charging.